Hello everyone. Welcome back to Wordivo English Tips. Today's video is about how to order food in English like a pro. Ordering food in English is an important real-life skill. You can use these phrases in restaurants, cafes, food courts, and while traveling. This lesson will help you improve speaking confidence, restaurant vocabulary, listening skills, daily English communication. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Practice the sentences slowly. Let's begin. Part 1. Entering the restaurant. When you enter a restaurant, a waiter may greet you politely. Example: Hello, welcome. How many people? Do you have a reservation? A reservation means booking a table before arriving. You can answer, Table for 2, please. We do not have a reservation. Yes, I booked a table online. These are simple and natural restaurant phrases. Open book Part 2. Asking for the menu. After sitting down, you can ask politely for the menu. Example: Can I see the menu, please? Do you have a vegetarian menu? What do you recommend? What do you recommend is a very useful phrase because it asks for suggestions. The waiter may reply, Our pasta is very popular. The grilled sandwich is today's special. Part 3. Ordering food. Now let's learn how to order food naturally. Example: I would like a burger and fries. Can I get a cheese pizza, please? I'll have the chicken sandwich. These phrases sound polite and natural. You can also ask for changes. Can you make it less spicy? No onions, please. Can I have extra cheese? Customizing food is common in restaurants. Part 4. Ordering drinks. Now let's order drinks. Example: Can I get a bottle of water? I would like an orange juice. Do you have cold coffee? The waiter may ask, Would you like ice? Small or large? You can answer simply, Medium, please. No ice, thank you. Part 5. Asking questions about food. Sometimes you may not understand the menu. It is okay to ask questions politely. Example: Backhand index pointing right, what is in this dish? Backhand index pointing right, is this spicy? Backhand index pointing right, does this contain nuts? Backhand index pointing right, is this vegetarian? These phrases are useful while traveling or trying new food. Part 6. During the meal. While eating, the waiter may ask, How is your food? Do you need anything else? You can reply, Everything is great, thank you. Can I get some ketchup? We need extra plates. Polite communication creates a good impression. Open book Part 7. Asking for the bill. After finishing your meal, you can ask for the bill politely. Example: Can we get the bill, please? How much is it? Can I pay by card? The waiter may ask, Cash or card? You can answer, By card, please. Here is the cash. Open book Extra Practice section. Now let's repeat some important restaurant phrases together. Backhand index pointing right, table for 2, please. Backhand index pointing right, can I see the menu? Backhand index pointing right, what do you recommend? Backhand index pointing right, I would like a burger. Backhand index pointing right, no onions, please. Backhand index pointing right, can I get a bottle of water? Backhand index pointing right, is this spicy? Backhand index pointing right, everything is great, thank you. Backhand index pointing right, can we get the bill, please? Backhand index pointing right, can I pay by card? Excellent clapping hands. These phrases are useful in daily life and travel situations. Learning restaurant English improves your confidence in real conversations. Native speakers use these expressions very often. Do not worry about mistakes. Speak slowly and clearly. Practice daily, and your confidence will improve naturally. You can also practice by role-playing with friends or speaking in front of a mirror. Remember, communication is more important than perfect grammar. Simple and polite English works very well in restaurants. In the end, ordering food in English becomes easy with practice. The more you listen and repeat, the more natural your speaking will become. Great job! Today, you learned how to order food in English like a pro. Practice these phrases daily.